Raising awareness of diabetes remains a priority for the St. Lucia Diabetes and Hypertension Association. The association has joined the Ministry of Health in encouraging St. Lucians to adopt healthy lifestyles, including consuming healthier diets and becoming more physically active.
There's a new theme for the period 2024 to 2026 stated as diabetes and well-being. This year's emphasis will be on breaking barriers, bridging gaps. We as an association have for some time, well, the current board's tenure, we have recognized that diabetes has quite a few barriers. Some of the major ones being mental state or mental well-being.
Statistics show that people with diabetes are more prone to suffering from depression than persons without diabetes. As such, the association is also concerned about the mental health of diabetic patients. By raising awareness, the association is also hoping that persons with early signs of diabetes can take action early to manage the disease.
Doc, simye matini abai ko HIV pasipumeni diabetes. And you could understand where this person was coming from when they said that, because essentially to them they see diabetes as a huge threat. There's this fear being built, and as a result persons are even afraid to confirm the diagnosis. The very same way with the HIV pandemic, persons were afraid to come out and get tested. We're now facing the very same situation with diabetes.
Dr. Daw provided local statistics on the current state of diabetes on island.
Our prevalence in St. Lucia is about 14%. What does that mean? In a room of 10 persons, about 1 in 10 of them, 1 out of those 10 persons would be living with diabetes. And if we were to say in a room of 100 persons, that would be 10 persons. A quarter of those 10 persons would actually not know that they're living with diabetes. And that is a big problem. So some of us are walking around, we have some of the signs, some of the symptoms, but we're afraid to go and check because marvelous have many diabetes.
He outlined the activities which will be held in celebration of World Diabetes Day.
This year, the executive of the association has embarked on a lot more screening activities. So we're out there doing a lot more screenings with our partners, our corporate partners and other stakeholders. In addition to that, we're trying to get more articles and statements done for our social media page, for our membership as well. Just pushing up, hyping up the education drive.
Dr. Daw says that the IDF and other global stakeholders wish to see 80% of individuals living with diabetes have the diagnosis by 2045. He encourages citizens to be proactive with their health and to practice proper lifestyle habits to decrease the chance of contracting the deadly disease. For the DBS News World, Manasseh Stanislas reporting.